I've got my mobile app open right here on my phone, and I'm sharing it up here on the screen. This is what the menu looks like. Guys, this is our mobile app. So you can see I got 2,656 hot leads, 2,126 leads in the lead bank. I've got my appointments here. I've got my pipelines. Guys, everything is right here inside this app. These are the leads coming in.
So I want to share something about a new product that's coming out just a few days from now. Fascinating product, but I'm really disturbed by the way it's being positioned and sold, because I think that the creators are missing the point and missing a great opportunity to speak to their potential audience in a much more effective way. So let me tell you what I mean. So here's the product. This is a mock-up, or probably an incomplete sales page. It's just the one that I was able to find, and I'm sure that they're building out a much more complete one. And this is what the product is. So the idea is that it's a digital business card. I'll just run this video so you can kind of see how this works. Somebody gets sent this, see by like a text, and then it opens up the digital business card. And then you can call somebody, you can download a lead magnet, you can do all sorts of other things with it, obviously, and you're capturing that lead. Then you can actually put that lead into an SMS or an email follow-up system, all kinds of cool stuff that you can do with it. And so this is kind of a great way to start an automated follow-up sequence with somebody that you meet at a networking event, or at a conference or somewhere, to be able to give them a digital version of your business card. So super cool. I mean, and it's all customized. You can slot in your image. You can put in custom videos if you want. You can link it to your calendar. So kind of cool stuff. Now, right now, the way that they have this set up is very complicated. So, in fact, I have to jump over here, right? And this is the pre-launch page where they're kind of guiding people through the process of, here's and this is a very typical kind of setup. You have 4 videos leading up to the launch day. They release one video at a time, and kind of tease you with a little bit more information about what the product can do, or what you'll be able to do once you have embraced this type of a system in your own business. And so you get to this page, and it asks you to sign up for a 4-part video series, kind of teaching you this process. So first step is that you actually sign up for something else. So first you sign up for the 4 videos here, and then you also sign up for the 7-day lead bootcamp, right? So already I'm totally confused about what it is that I'm supposed to be doing, because I'm signing up here, I'm signing up again, and here's what I did. So I went over to sign up for this 7-day bootcamp. And I had to register for this guy's membership site. So I get into the membership site, and then I go in, and I first of all, I don't know which of these courses I'm supposed to take, but this is the picture that I saw previously, so I had to make the assumption that this was the right one to go through. And then there's all of these videos that I have to go through, but I can't go through them unless I unlock each one. And in order to unlock each one, I have to go through a setup basically where I click through, watch a video, and then earn awards, or I earn rewards for accomplishing certain things. So I have to get certain number of points to be able to move on to the next video. And the things that it's asking me to do, smartly or stupidly, it's telling me, go over to our Facebook group, introduce yourself, tell us about yourself, and it's a very smart system in that it's trying to get me engaged with a community, all built around this product, which is the upsell for that little for this thing, for the lead digital business card. And so the idea is that I'm going to get this upsell product, the lead conversion system, which is a subscription program that I'm going to then utilize in my business. Very sophisticated tool, and what it does and what it's capable of doing for a business is really smart. The problem that I see is it's not easy to get there. There's a lot of friction between them telling me about this and me being able to buy it, because I have to go through this whole indoctrination process of unlocking these different stages in the training. I have to learn about these things. I have to complete these, and a lot of people are going to just give up. They're going to say, "Yeah, I want to buy this thing, but I'm not willing to tell everybody in the community about who I am and what my business is. I'm a private person, or this is really just for me and you know and my ideal customer. I don't want to be telling the world about myself, etc." So I think they are absolutely doing themselves a disservice, because I see so much opportunity in the different pieces of the product funnel, from this cool lead app all the way to what the lead conversion system is. Now, I'm also kind of confused by the fact, right, you have to sign up to get access to these videos. It then tells you to sign up for the bootcamp. But when I get here to the sales page or the pre-launch page for the lead app, I then see the lead conversion system thing here, and it's double branded, right? So I don't know what I'm actually looking at. And if you go through this video here, which I'll keep it mute, Chad is a super nice guy. Kind of reminds me of Ben Affleck for some reason. I'm not sure. And he guides you through this process of what this thing is and how cool it is, but he does not talk about the benefit. He talks about features, and this is a really experienced, educated guy who has been working in the online marketing space for a long time now. And I'm just, and whether it's him or it's the team that he hired to put this stuff together, I'm kind of disappointed in the way this entire thing is presented. So if you want to have a look at the lead app, seems like a super cool thing. I actually am going to be purchasing it as soon as it comes out, but I am not really all that impressed with the way that they have set this up. I think it's going to confuse a lot of people. I think those people who are motivated to at least take the first step in the process are going to be disappointed or going to be frustrated by the process and give up. And therefore, Chad and his team behind the lead conversion system are going to have a lot of extra follow-up work to do to be able to convert those people who abandon the process. So while I think that the product seems super cool, and seems like in one of these videos, Chad talks about it replacing things like Marketo and HubSpot and Infusionsoft, that it can do so much cool stuff, and I really hope it can. I hope that it's a fabulous product. My only concern is that it's going to this process, the sales process here, the presentation of the whole thing, is going to alienate a lot of people and scare a lot of people away from moving forward in their sales process. So just my 2 cents on this. I'm looking forward to seeing what's inside the product ultimately, but I have abandoned the process of going through this entire training series, the membership site. I'm not interested in sharing my info with people. I'm not interested in being part of the community. What I am interested in is seeing how this product and the lead conversion system can help me in my business, and I look forward to getting into it. If you're interested in this product, I've left a link down below. It is my affiliate link, which means that if you go through that link, I will benefit by being paid a commission. Of course, this won't cost you anything more to buy through my link. So go ahead, click on it, have a look for yourself, and thanks so much for watching.